Welcome back to the Auto Chapter, guys. Today we are diving into the detailed review of one of the most powerful and luxurious machines that BMW has ever produced, the 2026 BMW M8. This car is not just about speed, it is about combining high-performance engineering with unmatched luxury and cutting-edge technology. The M8 has always represented the pinnacle of BMW's M division, and the 2026 model pushes those boundaries even further. Whether you are someone who craves breathtaking performance on the road, or you're looking for a car that makes a bold style statement while offering a luxury experience inside, the new BMW M8 has everything to impress you. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 BMW M8 carries a bold and aggressive stance that instantly demands attention. The front fascia features the signature BMW kidney grille, redesigned to be wider and more prominent, giving the car a commanding presence on the road. Flanking the grille are sleek laser headlights that are slimmer and sharper than ever before, offering not only excellent illumination, but also a futuristic look. The sculpted hood with aerodynamic creases adds a sense of muscle and power. Moving to the sides, you see a low, coupe-like profile with strong character lines and perfectly flared wheel arches. The car rides on massive 20-inch or optional 21-inch lightweight alloy wheels that enhance both style and performance. The rear is just as dramatic, with slim 3D LED taillights, a sporty carbon fiber diffuser, and a quad exhaust system that not only looks menacing, but also produces an exhaust note that reminds you this is no ordinary BMW. Every inch of the design reflects athleticism blended with luxury. When it comes to performance, the 2026 BMW M8 is nothing short of a powerhouse. Under the hood lies a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, tuned to deliver around 670 horsepower and immense torque. This raw power allows the M8 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3 seconds, making it one of the quickest cars in its segment. The car comes with BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system that ensures incredible grip and stability, whether you're launching from standstill or carving through sharp corners. Drivers who prefer a more purist experience can even switch the system to rear-wheel drive for an exhilarating performance feel. The 8-speed automatic transmission has been improved for lightning-fast gear shifts, and the adaptive suspension ensures that the car remains composed at high speeds while still being comfortable enough for daily use. The steering is sharp and responsive, giving you complete confidence and control. BMW has also integrated advanced driving modes, allowing you to customize the car's performance settings depending on whether you want maximum comfort, balanced dynamics, or track-ready aggression. Now stepping inside the cabin, the 2026 BMW M8 delivers a luxury experience that perfectly complements its performance credentials. The interior is crafted with the finest materials, including merino leather upholstery, Alcantara touches, and carbon fiber accents. The seats are deeply bolstered sports seats, offering both comfort for long drives and firm support for spirited driving. They come with heating, cooling, and massage functions, truly making every ride a first-class experience. The dashboard layout is sleek and driver-focused, with a fully digital instrument cluster that provides customizable displays for performance data, navigation, and media. At the center, you have a large curved infotainment screen powered by BMW's latest iDrive 9 system, offering lightning-fast responses, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced voice control system. The Harman Kardon Premium Audio system comes standard, while an even more immersive Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system is available as an option. Ambient lighting, 4-zone climate control, and a panoramic roof all add to the feeling of luxury and space inside. Every detail, from the stitching on the seats to the crystal gear shifter, has been carefully designed to make you feel special every time you step inside. As for safety and driver assistance, BMW has equipped the 2026 M8 with the latest technology, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, and a semi-autonomous driving mode for highway cruising. The car is not only about thrill and luxury, but also ensures you feel secure and supported on every journey. Finally, let's talk about the price. The 2026 BMW M8 comes with a starting price of around $140,000 in the US market, but depending on the options, trims, and customizations you choose, the price can go well above $160,000. While it may seem like a big investment, when you consider the level of engineering, performance, and luxury you are getting, the M8 makes a strong case for itself against rivals like the Mercedes-AMG GT and Porsche 911 Turbo. It is a car built not just for speed, but to deliver a complete package of performance and prestige. So overall, the 2026 BMW M8 is a perfect combination of power, luxury, and technology. It's designed for those who want an exhilarating driving experience without compromising on comfort and elegance. From its aggressive exterior design to its heart-pounding performance and lavish interior, the M8 sets new standards for what a high-performance luxury coupe should be. If you're looking for a car that can truly do it all, the BMW M8 deserves to be at the very top of your list. That's all for today's review of the 2026 BMW M8. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more detailed car reviews. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.